Hello everyone, so here's the app called lock screen widget. So let's just install it to see how it works. So yeah, this is one of the top apps for customizing your lock screen like never before and having access to a lot of lock screen widgets. You need to know though that why it called 16, because lock screen widgets are available from starting from iOS 16, as I understand, or the latest iOS as it is right now. It's not available on iOS 14 or previous versions. So I think you could install iOS 16 starting from iPhone 8. And then here you instantly have like a get a premium version where you can unlock all the premium features, remove ads. It can be $20 yearly or $4 monthly. And then yeah, you just have all these widgets available. Text plus emoji. You can see calendar. You can see gift widgets. You can see app shortcuts, countdown, status widget, contacts, just symbols and all of that. And then you can also have dApps wallpapers. You can just have some really cool, just normal wallpapers I got. And then there you have it. So just basically how it looks like. Now let's just try to install it. So you can either install from settings app, or you can lock your screen, tap on the screen and then install it from there. So from the settings app, I can just show you can go to wallpaper and then just tap customize and then add widgets. And then from here you have lock screen 16, where you can add all these different widgets, GIF 1, GIF 2, GIF 4, app link 1, app link 2, and then you can have links to the popular apps right from the lock screen, or you can just have a countdown. So for example, I just wanna, have some little GIF here, and then I can just tap or drag it, and then after that I just need to tap done in the top right. And what will happen now basically is this widget will just appear on your lock screen when your screen is locked. So that's the thing with this app. It just has a huge collection with all these widgets. And then yeah. So that's how you can install it here. And then you can just add more and more widget for every type, and then they will just appear in suggestions in the lock screen. So hope that is helpful. And then if you want to add additional apps, you can just add it here, just depend on which apps you have. So that's that.